welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan, and your girl just always loves doing her reviews and shopping and skincare and literally anything else along the way that I feel like I need to, promote to the world. So today is a very special day, as they always are. I wanted to talk to you today about Mer cleansers, okay? So I have experience with two cleansers by Mer. One of them being the cleansing foam, which is in this little beauty right here. And then the other one is the Mer gel cleanser, which is this baby right here. So I wanted to do a video. I kind of got the idea to do a video where I use both cleansers to show you guys the difference and then explain like my different experiences with them. I want to talk to you about the way they smell, the way they taste, the way they apply to your skin, how your skin feels after using them. I think I'm going to attempt applying kind of doing like a makeup thing, but with like a skincare thing. I'm gonna cleanse half the side of my face. I don't know if that's really the best idea for face. I could get a breakout for a skin imbalance, but it is what it is. It's for the video. So I'm gonna go through each product first before I go wetting my face and applying these. So I'm gonna start off with the cleansing foam by Mer. This is like a foaming cleanser that is going to like really like lather up on your face and make you feel like super, super squeaky clean. 1 ounce of this product will cost you $25 and 4.2 ounces will cost you $95. This is good if you have like oily skin. It really just gets in there and from my experience just really scrubs, removes oils gently. It smells beautifully. For me, this cleanser was a little drying. Now I do want to say I did start using this cleanser, I think in the fall. So like I started changing seasons with this cleanser. So I don't want to say it made my face totally dry just because, when seasons change, for me, I'm combination skin. So like, girl, it's like the weather. It's like, I don't know what I'm waking up to that day. Am I waking up to a thunderstorm or am I waking up to a sunny day at the beach? I don't know. But what I could tell you is when seasons are switching, so is my skin. So I don't want to say this totally dried out my skin because I think I tried it at a very interesting time of year. I do tend to get a little more dry during the fall winter months. So I don't know if this little beauty is going to be perfect for dry skin people. If I have to say, I think if you're oily skin, I would gravitate towards this cleanser out of all of the Mer cleansers. So the next cleanser of my experience, which I use like every day, is the Mer Cleansing Gel. I've never used a gel cleanser before, and this is my first one, and I just love this cleanser. I've been using it as my cleanser in the winter, and it just makes my skin, now this makes my skin soft too. This seems to make it even softer, and it's a great winter cleanser for me because it doesn't totally dry my skin out and I'm able to kind of get a little bit of a moisture plump feeling versus maybe a little bit more of a dried out feeling from this one. But for now, let's just indulge ourselves in her. So unlike this one that comes in 2 sizes, this one only comes in 1 size and it comes in 6.7 fluid ounces for $95. So no matter what, in order to get this gel, you'll have to spend $95. You do get a lot of product. I use 2 pumps a night. And I do love this cleanser. I think it makes my face just super balanced and refreshed and soothed and soft and not too dry. And it has just been the perfect cleanser for the winter for me if I want a nice luxury cleanser. This is a beautiful product and I think it definitely does the job at cleansing your skin. I think both of these products do a great job at cleansing your skin. Now, they do both smell very different. This has like a more like of that classic Mer scent. It smells very, very, very nice. This has like a little bit more of just like an exotic scent. Like it's a little bit more bitter, and it's just a very, the scent is there and it is quite strong. Also, what I want to say about this product that I've noticed is that if a little bit gets in your mouth, it is quite bitter. I mean, you know, when you cleanse your face, you do anticipate a little cleanser, you know, getting in your mouth. I mean, if any of this gets in my mouth, I definitely could taste it. It's definitely like you're like, oh, okay. Like it's bitter. You know it's there. I put up with it because I like it, and you know, taste doesn't totally bother me. But this one just doesn't have that effect. I just want to let you know that if you are sensitive to scents and tastes, like this one is definitely, you're gonna notice it. So what I want to do now is I'm going to wet my face, and I'm going to attempt to show you, because I love showing you guys textures of products. I'm going to try to cleanse each side of my face. So, okay, so I'm going to just dampen up my face with a wet washcloth. It is clean. I don't think I need to say to wash your face with a clean washcloth. I think we all know that by now. I've been watching a lot of reviews where they keep telling you how to use a clean washcloth. It's like, you guys, come on. I give my viewers a little more credit. I think we know that we need to cleanse our face with clean washcloths. Anyway, let's get started. So my face is now damp. I will add water as needed if necessary. So we're gonna start off with the gel cleanser. When I use the gel cleanser, it comes in a pump format like so. And I am going to pump one pump for this morning. And here is the product. It is slightly green tinted, and it comes down like a gel. There is that bitter, bitter scent that I keep smelling from this product. But so we are going to now rub it into our skin. To zoom in. So as you see, I start getting like a nice, pretty lather using this product. I'm sorry if I look up, like I have to see what I'm doing. So here is like this beautiful lather that you get. It is very light, and as soon as you add more water, it gets lathery. And it is effectively cleaning my face. So even though it is a gel cleanser, you're still getting that lather, clean, fresh feeling that you want to feel when you're cleansing your skin. This is what the product looks like. As you add water, you can hear the squishing sound. It gets more lathery. So I'm just gonna let that sit. I obviously don't let my cleanser sit like that, but in this situation, I think I have to. As it dries down, you can see the foam goes away. So this product comes out in like this, green texture there. So I'm almost out, so I'm sorry, but it comes out in that texture. And it smells just like oil exfoliator by Mer. So here, as you can see, this cleanser is much more lathering and foamy. Like your whole face seems to get the gist here. So my face is definitely lathered, and I could feel there's little tiny grains in this cleanser that you can feel as you cleanse your face. And you could definitely feel this cleanser doing the job. And a little goes a long way. I used a lot of this. I typically don't need to use this much, especially if you put that on like a Clarisonic, your whole face is like little bubbles and scrubs. So as you can see, this cleanser was on this face at one point. It lathered, but it didn't lather to the extent of this cleanser right here. So you get more of like a little bit of a beady exfoliation type vibe with this cleanser, and it foams your whole face. So this one is gonna give you that grainy, super squeaky clean vibe that I think is really good for oily skin people. It can almost come across as drying. This is a little more, so this is a gel, so it's not gonna be as foamy as like a foam-based cleanser, but it does give you that scrubbed sensation on your face where you feel like you're not necessarily using a straight foam cleanser, but you do have a foam-based gel cleanser, and I am a fan of both, which is why I come to the conclusion that I need to get these off my face right now. I don't think cleansers are supposed to be left on this long, but I think this is great for oily skin people, and especially maybe If you're more dry, use this in the summer. This is fantastic for drier skin people in the winter. If you're super, super dry in the summer, I think this is great too, but for me, if you're dry and then you get a little oily in the summer, I'll gravitate towards this. So this is summer cleanser and winter cleanser for me. You make your own choice and you be the own judge of your own life. Thank you, everybody. I gotta get these off my face. Please subscribe if you haven't done so below. Please comment. Please hit that like button and let me know what you think and how much you love La Mer. And everybody have a fantastic day. Love you. Bye. Mwah.